Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to download and install Eclipse on our Mac. So first what we're going to do is we're going to open Google Chrome and we type Eclipse here. Once you see this, you'll go to the download section. Once you're on the download section, it should say download. Once you click on download, you should have the file. Now you see over here Eclipse installer is there and we will start. So what's different over here is instead of downloading one particular Eclipse, you get the choice or the option of downloading all these. So there are different kinds of Eclipse, and as you can see, there's one for Java developers, enterprise, C, C++, embedded, JavaScript, PHP, testers. Testers somewhere down here. Yep. You could pick. Feel free to pick whatever you like. I'm gonna pick enterprise developer for right now. And it looks like it's asking for, or it's looking for the folder. And once you've decided the folder or the address, click on install. Give it a moment to install. There you go. We've successfully installed Eclipse. There's no need of having installer in the applications since we won't be installing all the things or everything. So you can skip that part. As you see, I have already have my workspace set up. I'll click on launch. There you go. Good to go. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you like the video. Please comment for any queries.